Hi, it's Janelle Livet, and today I want to do a quick review of Lewis Anderson's Simple AI Solutions. Now, he has a Facebook group for you to join, and also there's 3 modules. The first one is Content Creation Essentials, the second one is Content Creation Complete, and the last one is Beyond the Limits. All of them build on each other and give you more information. So let's have a look at the Content Creation Essentials. This is the front end, and really it will take you from newbie to advanced in just five modules. The first one is setting up your AI workspace. Now this isn't about ChatGTP, which there's a lot of hype about. It's about using another platform, and in this video Lewis walks you through how to set up your AI workspace. Next, he shows you how to create social media content really fast, and it's high quality, and once again bite-sized videos so you never get lost. Next, it is looking at the content modes that are available in the actual platform, and they're quite interesting. It gives you different ideas to create content using different modes and which modes are better for what sort of content. The next one is research and analytics. This actually lets you crawl the web, which the other one doesn't, or well, another one, the one that I use, which is ChatGTP, unless you've upgraded and paid the $20 a month. And the last one is AI imagery. So crafting with imagination, creating unique AI generated visuals from prompts or concepts. Very easy to understand and get some great content out of it. Lewis has some great ideas. He's obviously put a lot of time into this program. I learn a lot, even though I have been quite a big user of ChatGTP. So I'm going to start looking at this other platform and see what I can, and Lewis's program, and see what I can come up with. Now the first upsell is called Content Creation Complete. It actually builds on the first one, and it'll show you module 1 is SEO Magic with AI tools. So it'll show you how to generate detailed SEO analytics. Also, it'll show you how to create more varied content using the chat modes. It will show you how to refresh existing content. So if you've got content on your blog that's not quite relevant, he goes through how to refresh that. The next one, which is a great module, is actually creating the content, making images for it, and then actually posting it on your blog, making sure it's all SEO optimized and you've structured it correctly. Then we move into video production using the AI tools, and he shows you some free AI powered video software, editing software, gives you a hands-on demonstration of how to integrate your text into images and then into a captivating video. Part 2 is building on the foundation that you've learned in part 1 and showing you how to get a polished and professional finish. And the last one is curating commercial standard designs powered by AI visuals. This will simplify your social media and auto-generate post hashtags and allow for smooth integrations. So that's the first upgrade. So it goes further into what is capable, what this AI platform is capable of, and also Lewis shows you the best way to use it and how to get the best outcomes. The last one is called Beyond the Limits, and this goes even further and shows you how to use long form content such as ebooks. And in a lot of the AI platforms you only get a certain number of characters you can use. So Lewis shows us how to get seamless continuation, so it's not always stopping all the time, and you can get the same content with the same theme going through for as long as you like it. Then there's a deep dive into tools and reporting for mastering advanced SEO. So he'll show you how to do an analysis of your website and show you how to create a content plan, find targeted keywords, and make your articles user friendly and hot to read, for want of a better word. The next one is crafting impeccable content prompts. So he shows you how to create the prompts using poetry and then changing them into sales copy with the various content modes. Now he'll show you how to use your mobile phone to create these pieces of content, parts 1 and 2. Also creating your thumbnails for YouTube or e-covers, which is in module 8, will design your e-covers, and then it will show you how to make quizzes for your website. Now quizzes are very interactive, so people stay on your site, so Google loves it when people stay on your site. The last one is harness the power of AI to generate content that resonates and captivates, and this covers reels and using all sorts of social media and how you can use the AI platform to help you with that. So that is the 3 levels. Yeah, the 3 levels of the AI simple solutions. And like I said, I learnt stuff in this even though I've been using AI since it came out and done a few courses on it. I always learn something from Lewis, and his videos are very thorough and very easy to understand. So if you're new or you're a seasoned expert, this is a great course to pick up, and it's nice to see some quality content on Warrior Plus, as there's been a lot of programs that are just really not worth the effort. So great work, Lewis. I'm happy to recommend this to my users and my crowd, and I hope you enjoy it, and you'll find the link to join in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. Stay in touch for more video product reviews. Janelle Livet signing out.